In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do time settings in Mailerlite. Setting the correct time zone in Mailerlite is a simple but important part of keeping your account accurate. Your time settings can affect how dates and times appear inside your account, especially when you are working with campaigns, automations, reports, and scheduled email activity. If your time zone is not set correctly, the times you see in Mailerlite may not match your local time, which can make planning and reviewing your email marketing activity more confusing. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through the process slowly and clearly, so you can update your time settings with confidence. To begin, open your browser and go to Mailerlite. Once you are on the Mailerlite website, log into your account using your normal login details. Make sure you are signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or business profile. After you log in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully. You should now be inside your Mailerlite account where you can access your campaigns, subscribers, forms, automations, and account options. Now that you are on the main dashboard, the next thing to do is find the account settings area. Look toward the left side of the screen where Mailerlite usually shows the main navigation menu. This menu is where you can move between the different areas of your account. From here, select Account Settings. Depending on your screen size or the version of the interface you are using, the exact position may vary slightly, but it should be located in the left side navigation area. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the Account Settings section, since this is where Mailerlite stores profile and company-level settings. Once you are in Account Settings, you will be taken to a page that contains important details about your account. This may include basic profile information, company information, or other account-related preferences. The layout may look slightly different depending on your account setup, but the goal is the same. You need to locate the time zone dropdown. Look under the Basic Profile section or the Company Information section. The time zone setting is usually presented as a drop-down menu, which means you can click it and choose from a list of available time zones. When you find the time zone dropdown, click on it to open the list. You should now see multiple time zone options. Scroll through the list and choose the time zone that matches your preferred location or the location your business uses for scheduling. It is important to select the time zone that makes the most sense for how you manage your email marketing. For example, if your business operates in a specific region, you may want your account time to match that region. This helps keep your scheduling and reporting easier to understand. After selecting your preferred time zone, pause for a moment and confirm that the correct option is now displayed in the drop-down field. This quick check helps avoid saving the wrong setting by mistake. Once everything looks correct, look for the Save Changes button on the page. Click Save Changes to apply the updated time zone to your Mailerlite account. After saving, Mailerlite should keep your new time setting in place. From this point forward, your account should reflect the time zone you selected wherever that setting is used. That covers everything you need to know.